All right, Pani Puri on the menu today. Delicious Golgappa time. Are you guys ready to hang out with us and taste some Pani Puri? So, Pani Puri is a round, puffed up pastry made out of wheat and semolina, and we basically fill it with different things. So, it's taste time for us. Let's get going. Hi, guys, welcome back to Eat Eastern channel, and today we are going to do a taste test. We are actually making some Pani Puri. What is it?
Pani Puri.
So it's actually Gol Guppe. We saw this bag, not terribly priced. It's like $5-6, and we thought, why not give it a try? So we've got this bag. It comes with, let's see, 30 puris. 30 puris. So 30 of these Golgappas, bundi, Pani Puri paste, sweet and sour paste. And it's ready to eat. So what it says here is that we can eat everything directly, but we do need to make Pani Puri paste, we need to make sweet and sour paste, and all we have to do is stuff the puris in a plate, make a small hole on top of each puri and stuff it with bundi, chutney, and eat. Okay, we are super excited to make this. So when you open the pack, here is the puris. We are going to test them for how crispy they are. And bundi. And this is the paste, all the directions on there. How easy is that? And we've got this Pani Puri paste. All right. So this one is actually mint leaves, coriander leaves, and green chili. I'm gonna make this paste. This one is sweet and sour paste. And then this has actually that little bundi to put inside our puris. All right, I'm gonna get these ready and we will be right back. So here I have some salted boiled chickpeas. Bundi was already in the pack. You can also use some boiled potatoes to put in these puffed round puris. Really tasty, and it's a great snack afternoon time or when you have some company over. So this sweet and sour paste and green chili mint leaf paste was already there. We are just adding in water. How convenient and easy it is, and the taste was actually quite good. I mean, every rediwala, every street vendor has his or her own formula, but Verka has done a good job. They've standardized it. And it's a fun, thing to do with the kids. Make some pani puris. They can customize it and enjoy them. So just mixing some water with the paste, chilled water. And you can see now you can make this water as thin as you personally prefer. So once all your fixings are ready, then you can just add them into your puris, into your golgappas, and enjoy them. Kids actually like eating golgappas just by themselves. So let's get going.
Made all our dishes. We have
all the fixings are ready, right? So we've got chickpeas, we've got this bundi. It's like a nice crispy little round drop made with chickpeas, or actually chickpea flour.
It's so tiny.
So crispy.
Yeah.
We've also got actual
chickpeas.
And then we've got our sauces or chutney or pani. Got to be really thin. So here now we've got our golgappa. Yeah. Take a golgappa. I'm gonna make a little hole in it. Then we add a couple drops of bundi in it. You can also have, sometimes it cracks. We'll add our chickpeas in it.
I got it.
You did it? Okay. Then we add our green. Add in your chickpeas and that thing. Yeah. Our tamarind.
Put chickpeas.
Yeah, so this is sweet, made with tamarind and dates. And this is like with mint and... So good.
Is it spicy?
Try it. Careful. Whole thing in the mouth. What do you think? All the flavors, right? Sweet and spicy. Oh, tasty, hey?
It's a little bit spicy, but it's kind of sweet.
Yeah.
It's like the black sauce.
Alright guys, we will continue to dig in. If you like Pani Puri, go ahead, grab Verka Pani Puri and try it out.
And make sure to subscribe.
To Eat East Indian.
And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
You know, when I was young, we used to go out. So street vendors, like there would be, you know, vendors like people on the street selling Golgappas, and you know how they do it? They'll make a little hole, right, like this, and they just dip it, the whole thing in here like this. They are not using spoons, and that's what made it gross, because they would put their hands in.
What?
Yeah, they would. Yeah, and then they'll put mithi chutney, sweet chutney. They'll just throw some of these in.
They do that? That's weird.
I know, that's weird. He thinks it's weird.
Did they?
Alright guys, we'll talk to you later.